Hi guys, I came across this thing on YouTube while I was watching some other videos. These eyelash extensions that you can do at home yourself. I've had professional eyelash extensions a few times now and I really enjoyed them, but they are on the pricey side and I've never heard of this and I was super excited to try it out. This way you're able to customize, you know, how the lash looks. It took me 3 stores to find them. They were out of stock in a lot of places, so I guess this is kind of something that people like to do. The videos that I watched, they were using the Ardell lash extension starter kit. I actually realized when I got home this is not Ardell. I didn't even look at the brand. So these are the Salon Perfect Custom-Eyes individual flares kit. It says they're lightweight, easy to apply and buildable. You can do as little or as much as you want with these. They also come with the tweezers, and then they come with the adhesive and then the remover if you want to take them off. They have the short, medium, and long ones so you can kind of layer them. Shit, I don't really have much else to say, so I'm just gonna get started. This is the lash adhesive, and then these are the tweezers that they come with. When you start, you actually need to have your eyes completely bare, no mascara, no makeup, so kind of make sure they're nice and fresh. Don't pay attention to my eyebrows because I know I need to get them done. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of building from the short ones to the long ones. So the first whole bottom layer I'm doing is using the short lashes, and then I'm going to go in with the medium and then the long. This is why I went with 2 packs instead of 1. I used all of the short lashes on this eye just to do 1 layer, so I would say to buy 2 packs just to be safe, 1 row for each eyeball. Are you alive?
Me?
Uh-huh. Good. Do you want to hit the jewel?
Yeah, let me put this on.
Oh shit, no, it looks good. These are kind of easy for real. Just take some time.
Yeah, they do.
Beautiful. You're welcome. So I'm done with the first layer, this short lashes. It's kind of a little tricky. You just kind of gotta have some patience.
So say hello to falsetto in 3, 2, swag.
You know, I almost got certified for this shit.
For real?
Yeah.
I'm a dog and that's true, baby. Come let's hear a truth, baby.
So big, for me. Pull up on the key, you dig, but bitch, I ain't got time.
Alrighty. Stay. Alright guys, so I'm all finished with the lashes. I really like them. I already see them popping on the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I actually really like these lashes. I think that I might continue to do this. They're supposed to last on average. I'm gonna go for 3. I do recommend getting 2 packs of these. It took me like 1 for each eye. So definitely better safe than sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell if you want to be notified next time